So you have most likely clicked on this video because you are failing your funded challenges, and that's completely fine. You know, I myself failed so many of them because I was doing everything wrong. I was like strategy hopping, my management was bad. I was just basically gambling everything because, you know, I thought that's like, you know, I can just gamble it and get my account and then make real money and really trade for real. But no, I blew so many accounts, and I finally stopped when I understood this, what I'm gonna tell you in this video. So let's stop wasting any time and let's get started. This is the formula you need. Consistent strategy plus management equals success. So consistent strategy, what does that mean? You need one strategy, one simple strategy. That's all you need. Stop strategy hopping, stop having 5 different strategies, just stick to one. And this is by far my most favorite strategy from ICT. It's very simple. It's like, it will give you every day some setup. And no, it's not silver bullet. It's not really just swing. It's like the 2022 mentorship. I'm gonna show you exactly what that is. And management. You need to understand how many losses can you take, how many wins do you need, and what's your actual account size. Because I trade TopStep, which has 150,000 account, but that does not mean I have $150,000. It means that my account is basically the size of my allowed drawdown, which is $3,000. And what I like to do is have at least 4 losing trades, or like be able to lose 4 in a row. That means that I can lose $750 in one trade, okay? My target is 9,000. So for me to get to my target, I need 12 winning trades with $750 per trade, which, you know, that's just 5 handles with 3 contracts on ES. It's very simple. That's like 12 trades. You can get 12 winning trades easily, and $750 is like nothing. You can trade with more contracts or get more handles and everything like that. But you need to understand how many losses can you take and stick to it. 4 is like, that's the middle point, I would say. You know, 10 is the best. 5, that's the midpoint, and like, you know, if we want to gamble, you can just have 1 losing trade and gamble it all. So consistent strategy plus management equals success. So let's get to the strategy. Also, I'll be live trading 150k funded account challenge in my group. So if you want to join now, you can. Right now, I have a code for 66% off early winner. The code expires in a week, and after that, there will be no more discount codes. So you can join now and see you in there. Link is in the description. So my strat is every day I draw the high and the low of midnight and 8:30. You can see here, it's a midnight and 8:30 on New York time. And then I wait for the price to take either side. Once it takes either of those sides, I wait for some market structure shift or displacement or with displacement. And also I look at some comparable chart for divergence. So from ES, it would be NQ. So I have 2 charts open, but you know, you don't have to have that, but it's for confirmation. So wait for break of this high, wait for market structure shift, which happens when you get swing high, swing low, swing high, and then it breaks through the swing low after taking the liquidity. Wait for fair value gap to be formed on the break of the shift of the structure. Wait for a re-entry, enter on the fair value gap, and then you want to target the liquidity, which would be here, also here, and best case scenario, this one. And this market structure shift trading is also the strat you can always use without this like Judas swing trading. You know, the same thing can happen here. So we have this low, and also we took this low right here, and we might even have, let's say, low from yesterday. So we took out that low, and now we expect a shift in the market structure. So here we go to lower time frame and wait for this right here, the market structure. Break of this high, entry on fair value gap, and target liquidity. And it's really that simple. I'm gonna show you some examples right here. So I'm gonna open up my second chart, go to the replay mode. We can see the high here. No, this one is higher. So we have this high, we have this low. We can see we break through. I will go to the 1 minute after that. We get no fair value gap, so we're breaking through again. And here, I'm gonna go one back. So this is an example where you don't always need market structure shift. When I have like these levels that are big, like the overnight high and low, I'm not only waiting for market structure shift, but also a break of some PDRA, which is this right here, this volume imbalance. So when I see this, that the candle just breaks through, does not care, disrespects it completely, I would use this as my entry point and also the support of the, you know, of my idea. So I would put my entry here to go short on this one. So we can see that it got filled right away. 2.5 handle stop loss. So I would go in with more volume and with more contracts, and these would be my targets. So first target would be here, where I would take maybe one contract off, but I usually go to higher time frame and look for better liquidity. So this would be the first one. This right here would be the second one, and this last target profit. So let's go to the 1 minute chart. And I use the second chart for divergence and stuff like that. So right here, you can see that we took out this high, and we can see that NQ did exactly the same thing like ES. It breaks through the volume imbalance and goes straight down. So when I trade NQ, I would again put my limit order there. Let's say here, 8 handle stop loss, targeting this and this, and yeah, that's it. So let's look how it plays out. So first fail would be here. So we did not get filled yet. Let me just move. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. So first fill here. So we got filled. Second one would be here. Again filled, and then right away, last one. It's this simple. Now we can see that we also took out this low. So you can start looking for another shift in market structure or something that would indicate that it's going to change. Which once again, here we have the exactly same thing happened. Volume imbalance. Market does not care. Then we can see that second candle respects it. So right here, I would just press buy button, like, you know, it would fill me wherever. I wouldn't care as much here because, you know, like I would put my limit order. What I do in these situations when you don't really have the fair value gap, or you do have it here, but I don't expect it to go there. I set like my smallest position here, then I put some limit order in this thing, in the volume imbalance, and I also, you know, on close of this candle, if I see the candle close in or above, I just press buy market, and that's it. So let's just see where this goes. Our targets would be like this liquidity or this one. Yeah, well, this one would be the best, and then the top, but you know that might not happen. So we got filled there. and here at the top too. So you can see that it's like very simple. So the formula to success is consistent strategy plus management, success. Stick to one strategy only and you will succeed. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.